If you are replacing the tailpiece for your kitchen sink, Oatey is offering the plastic tubular branch tailpiece for just a few bucks. There are two versions with a 7/8 inch or 5/8 inch branch. Since the branch is fairly short, you need to choose the right size if you need to connect your dishwasher's drain hose to the tailpiece. Installing the Oatey tailpiece is fairly easy, and I demonstrated it in the video. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment below. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.